Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about two things that I think every beginner Forex trader needs. The first thing that you need is a trade manager. You need something that will automatically calculate your lot sizes. You need something that will automatically prevent you from over trading, and you need something to manage your trades when you're cooking in the kitchen or doing something else. All right. Now, our tool, this is our trade manager software. It allows you to manage your trades very easily. So let me show you. It provides a wonderful panel that you can use to buy and sell very easily just by clicking a button. And it also automatically calculates the lot size that you should use. So maybe you want to risk 0.8% of your account. You can just type in your risk, type in your stop loss, and it will automatically calculate the lot size that you should be using. All right. You can choose to move your stop loss to break even. You can choose to close 50% of your trades. You can choose to close the trades in profit or close all the trades in loss. It's all up to you. Now, the most important feature it has is the daily equity protector. It allows you to stop you from over trading basically. So if your target is $100 for the day, once you hit $100, you can't trade anymore. That's it. Same thing for loss. If your target is $100 loss for the day and you don't want to trade anymore, once you hit that loss, it prevents you from trading the account. All right. And yeah, that's basically it. It gives you a trailing stop loss. It shows you your balance, your equity, your drawdown. It's perfect for beginners. All right, so that's one. The second tool that we have is our uGenesys trend. All right, now the biggest problem that many traders have is they don't know what to trade. They don't know when to trade. All right, now we've solved this problem with our uGenesys trend indicator. Every day it gives you an alert. So it tells you what currency pair to choose, and it tells you what time to trade. All right. Let me scroll down so you can see it. So yeah, it gives you sell alerts at different times, the best times for trading. It gives you buy alerts as well. It allows you to see the overall trend of the market, and it also gives you the currency strength. So when you look at this, you will be able to know exactly what currency pair to trade. All right. So yeah, guys, these are my two tools for Forex beginners, and I put the link to them in the description of this video. I also put the link to the tutorials that I did on how to use these two indicators. So guys, you can just click the link in the description below and you'll see everything that you need. Now, guys, you can enjoy today's video. All right. Talk soon.
Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today I'm going to show you a very profitable trading strategy in TradingView, alright? So let's start off using a gold chart with a 1-minute time frame. Then let's click on our indicator section and type in volume weighted average price. Here we have it. Let's go ahead and click right here. So you will see this indicator has 3 bands here. So you have a middle band, a middle blue band, then you have an upper green band and a lower green band, alright? Well, let's first make some changes here. Let's go to the settings, then style, and we'll uncheck the boxes for the upper band and the lower band right here, because we only want the middle band, the VWAP line here, the blue line. Click OK. So the rule for using this indicator is that whenever the market is above the VWAP line, then you can take buying positions, and whenever the market is below the VWAP line, then we could take selling positions, okay? Now the second indicator that we'll add is called QQE signals. So let's go ahead and search for that one here. QQE signals. Here we go. And we can see this indicator has generated some buy and sell signals for us. But we also have a lot of random signals. So let's make some changes in this indicator here as well. So we'll click on settings, then input, and let's change the RSI length to 22 and the RSI smoothing to 12. And let's remove the decimal places from the fast QUE factor and just keep it at 4. There we go, and click OK. Now we have our setup ready. Let's take a look at some examples here. So here we can see we have our VWAP line and the market is above it, indicating we can take buy positions, and we have a buy signal from the QQE indicator as well, so we can take a buy signal right here. And let's use our long position tool just to see the profits we can make right here. So you could just put your stop loss a little bit below that and put the take profit up at the next high of the market, and we see that we could have a risk reward ratio of 2.24. So you can see the market is below the VWAP line, and we have a short signal here indicating we can take a sell position here. So let's go ahead and use our short position tool just to see how this trade would be at this section here. So you could put your stop loss a little bit above the position and your take profit down below the next low of the market. And you can see we'd have a risk reward ratio of 1.55. all right, so this is a very good indicator here. And we could also use this method for other charts. Let's take a look at the Euro USD chart in the same 1 minute time frame. So if you take a look right here, you can see our market is above the VWAP line, and we have a buy signal right here. So we can see this is a very accurate signal. And also if you look here, the market is below the VWAP line, and we have a sell signal right here. Okay, so this is a very good indicator, guys. So this is a very powerful indicator with positive test results, and so hopefully you can get some profitable trades from it. Okay, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. Okay, and goodbye for now.